Managing multiple projects at once can feel like juggling flaming torches. Exciting, but risky. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart software walkthroughs and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Planforge, the project and portfolio management tool that helps you stay on top of timelines, budgets, and resources all at once. So we will walk you through how to use Planforge step by step so you can plan smarter, track progress with precision, and hit your goals without the stress. So grab your coffee and let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Planforge. On the top corner, you have the option to choose the language and to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the better option is to click the free trial. If you do, you will have an access to the Planforge platform for 30 days, absolutely at no cost. All you have to do is provide all the information needed, and then now once you have successfully created your account, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Planforge. And do not be overwhelmed with all the things that you can see here. It's very user-friendly. The interface is basically very clean and functional. So the overview tab here gives you the high-level snapshot of your projects and portfolios, showing you key metrics, timelines, and performance at a glance. So think of it as your project control tower. But the thing is, we just have created our account, so we don't have anything in place. Because the next tab shows you the properties containing detailed information about a specific project. We don't have a project. We're going to create a new one from scratch. So you can choose from a simple project, traditional, agile project, project portfolio, and epics portfolio. If you want to choose from any of the following template, so you don't have to create from scratch, you can do that. All right. So we're going to cancel this for now. And then we're going to create a new simple project. So the simple project is going to be, let's say in this instance, how to use Planforge. Okay, so we have that already covered. And if you want to start the event date, you can do so. Click the save button. So we have that already. So you can set up your name, description, objectives, stakeholders, and other essential setup details. All the while we have the status section. This shows you the current state of each project. So we created one project from scratch. And here, whether it's on track, at risk, or delayed, you can often use color coding here for the new status report if you wanted to create a new one. Click on done. And then we're going to show you the to-dos section. The to-dos section right here, I'm going to go back to the main homepage. All right. We're going to go skip that for now. Now, the project list tabs is a centralized list of all ongoing, planned, and completed projects. You can filter right here, sort, and search to quickly find the one that you need. And obviously, the status is showing the current state of each project. The progress displays how far along a project is, like 100%, like 50%. So it's often with percentage completion. You can set a milestones, reach, and work breakdown, so it's a lot easier to do. And then the dates holds all project scheduling details like start dates, end dates, and key milestones and deadlines. The resources manages the people, equipment, and materials assigned to your projects. You can track availability, workloads, and skill sets. And then the costs tracks budget, spending, and financial forecasts, helps compare planned versus actual costs to avoid overruns. And then the risk identifies potential issues that could impact your project along with their probability, impact, and of course, the mitigation plans. All right. And then you have the pipeline tab giving you any upcoming or proposed projects waiting for approval or prioritization, helping plan future workloads. And then, of course, you have the idea, decision, planning, execution, and completion. You can use from the view tab as general, status, dates, resources, costs, and quality. The Analyze tab provides data, visualizations, reports, and analytics to evaluate project performance and portfolio health. All the while, you have the ideas, which is a space to collect and evaluate new project proposals or innovative suggestions before they enter the formal pipeline. Then you have the KPIs giving you the lists and monitors key performance indicators such as these to measure progress towards business and project goals. Okay? The strategy aligns with the projects with broader business objectives, ensuring resources and priorities match strategic goals. Now that is under the portfolios, and you would notice that you have more options here. Okay, so we're gonna skip the portfolios. I'm gonna discuss very quickly the my work. This is your personal dashboard for all assigned tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. So basically, it shows what you need to do right now and what's upcoming. Lets you update task status, log progress, and manage priorities without digging through the whole project. Of course, we're gonna skip the portfolios and we're going to focus on the team. These are gonna be the people and groups working on your projects, like displaying team structures, roles, and availability, making it easy to assign tasks, track workloads, and improve collaboration. And then the customers are going to be your client and stakeholder management hub. It stores customer contact details, agreements, and related projects, keeping track of client communications and deliverables in one place. And of course, there is going to be the reports. This is your analytics and insight centers. It generates detailed reports on performance, costs, progress, and risks, which can be shared with stakeholders to keep everyone aligned and informed. On the top corner, you have the options about switch user, preferences, and about Planforge. All right, so right now we are using the free trial. And if you feel that Planforge is going to be the platform that answers your business needs, you may check the pricing plans here. Okay, so at the moment we're using the free version or the free trial, which gives us all of these. If you want to upgrade, you might want to go to the lean plan for growing companies and wanting standardized project and portfolio management features. And then the next is going to be the professional, wherein these are for successful SMBs, managing large projects and multi-project programs at scale. And the enterprise is something that you might want to take and get a code, because Planforge can provide a tailored custom budget for you depending on your goal, needs, and of course your budget. All right. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on how to use Planforge. If you're looking for a project and portfolio management software that's flexible, feature-rich, and built for both small teams and enterprise-level projects, Planforge is definitely worth exploring. If you found this very helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more software walkthroughs and tech tips. If you have any questions or experiences with Planforge, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.